Let's go ahead and cover how to link your bank account with Robinhood, and it's all going to happen from this person menu here on the bottom right. So we're going to click on that first, and then you're going to click on the three lines here at the top left, and this is your menu where you access the different settings. What we're going to do now is navigate over to transfers, where we have options for deposits, withdrawals, and even brokerage account transfers. Now at this point there is a security protocol requiring me to turn off my screen share, which is new. I'm glad I'm walking through this with you guys together here with a new updated version of this, just so you would know what to expect. So I'm going to turn that off. I will take some screenshots and put those on screen here as we continue. On this screen here you have the option to transfer money, manage recurring deposits, send a wire transfer, transfer accounts, and also see available withdrawable cash. But what you're going to want to do from here is scroll down and you'll see the option here for your linked accounts, and this is going to have the option to add a new bank account. You're going to go ahead and click on that button. Now from here you have the option to do an instant transfer using your debit card with a up to 1K daily deposit limit. It would be instant if you're looking to invest immediately, or you can do a traditional bank account link. If we click on debit card, it's going to give you the option now here of just entering your debit card information. But if you instead wanted to link it with your bank account, you would do that with Plaid automatically by entering your login information and then selecting your account.